Hi, Miss Jenaline. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Jenaline Ramos Pichal. I'm 36 years old from General Santos City, Philippines.
Do you have kids?
I have two kids, 21 and 18 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Singapore?
My mother,
How many siblings do you have?
I have three siblings, two brother and one sister.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, I 9 years in Saudi Arabia. I work in a couple employers and their children.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm I'm good and patient and honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of a surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money for my company.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
Rain, rain, go up.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No, sir.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I talk to a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, I will finish my contract and I will treat you and my own family.